This Marikina Shoe Masters. Bulacan Kuya is able to cross half court. Baltasar on the move and nakuha niya 2 points.
Yan ang kagandahan after a timeout. Yeah, I think he was there nung last year. That was year 2000, no? Yung huling my rookie year.
Eric Pili.
And also had 5 rebounds, 4 assists, and 6 steals.
Nice statistics there. This 3-point shot is brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. That's Pili knocking down the 3 ball.
Well, isang stat na lang inaantay ni Pili. Ito si Gomez Deliano, dinadagdagan pa yung kanyang stats. 8 points na para sa kanya second 3 of the... Tuwa rin ako sa sagot ng kanyang kapatid na manlalaro. Okay, dahil nung tinanong natin siya before the game, double figures na si Joe with 10 points. Dahil nung tinanong natin siya bago sila mag-jump ball, si Paolo, nasan? Sabi niya, may inaayos lang showbiz eh. Di ba? Ang galing yan, mga gusto kong sagot. Di ba? Keeping the private stuff within them, pero hindi niya alam, i-report din ni Andrea. Di ba? Nahungkat eh. Nahungkat ni Andrea.
Pareho, magandang marunong. Joe Gomez Deliano.
Isang dosena na yan.
Buildings.
Itong Marikina. Remember, they got beat earlier with a double team. Deliano with a dunk. No. Okay, no.
Medyo lipad lang ng konti. Karandang. Abel. Gets it to Celis. Celis with a jumper. Yes. Goes to Karandang, puts the ball on the deck. Binigay kay Osicos. A step back jumper is money para kay Ken Osicos. That was under duress. They slow things down. Aaron gets into the lane. The runner is good. First quarter scores brought to you by GameX. GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL.
Only in sports, wherein makikita mo, pinapakita proudly yung mga leading sa pagnanakaw. Sa sports mo lang makikita yan.
Oh naman. Here's Andares. Binigay kay Montero from the corner. They go to Estacio. Labas kay Landayan. The extra pass to Gama. That's a 3 as well.
Good, no? Yung depensa ng Bulacan, especially itong si Baltasar, dahil he felt he closed out hard enough to stop that shot. Gusto ko itong larong to eh. Ang daming comparison sa totoong buhay.
Oh, talaga.
Diba?
And Casajeros knocks down the 3. One-hander, too strong.
Yun lang, walang safety.
Is away and he will lay it in for 2.
All white shirts inside the paint.
They will return to the squad. Casajeros up top. Nice. To Jexter Tolentino. Hinihintay niya si Ojan. He'll drive right. Tolentino with a reverse.
What an impressive drop pass right there. Sampan and Marikina right now with that full court press once again.
Celis with a hesitation move and a layup.
75% from the field. 3 of 4, 6 points for Celis.
Dada able to protect the basketball. Celis relocates and puts it in for 2.
Napanood?
Ako grainy footage yung napanood ko.
Back to the game, double drag. Ibanez, pasok.
Galing. Si Big Boy.
Yun lang.
Naagaw ni Joe Ojan is open. Yes! That's Saro Ojan. Good. Pili. Casajeros. Ojan, the extra pass to Joe. And he puts it in for 2. 16.
Minama.
16. He'll drive. Binabas muna kay Mong Basco. Estacio. A nice crossover. Jumper. He'll get the roll. Aaron Estacio. 5 points in the contest. The halftime score brought to you by GameX. GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta
Magandang laro ito.
They still have a chance here. Baltasar, great fake. Baltasar strong to the cup.
Yun. Sagot ka agad. Itong Marikina, 3 were open on the other side. Abel, pinilit yung tira. Ayun. Wala, Marikina, atake. 2 versus 3. Panalo yung 2.
Eric Pili.
Nakamagaan na paa. Naging player namin.
Oh, Eric Pili. Stroking it home. Good niya,
Nice.
Go, Pili. Lays it in. May kasama pang foul doon. Back to Pili. He is feeling it. Binigay muna kay Ojan. Trying to test the D of Big Boy Hernandez and Nazaro Jan. Meron ng 8 puntos.
Another crossover, basically double cross, no? To get away his defender and to finish. Ito, agaw pa.
There's a fast break. Iniwan kay Joe Gomez.
Oh.
What a beautiful play.
Think about it, Sedef. They're working hard and they're having fun.
Ibanez. Yes.
That's a big answer. After a timeout.
Leading the break. Nazaro Jan. Ayos muna kay Joe. He'll pull the trigger. Pasok yan. Montero will drive. Iniwan kay Big Boy. Great pass.
Ayun pala ang plano ni Montero. Nagtataka ako, ba't ayaw niya ipasa kay Ibanez na sa corner? Hinihingi niya yung bola, hindi binigay.
Jude Cordillera will fire and
Ayun.
hit.
Sa kabilang panig naman, unselfish play.
Casajeros too strong on that layup. Balik ang takbo dito sa kabila. Hernandez will finish.
Yan ang mga kagandahan after a timeout. May fastest first quarter, first 5 minutes. Itong third quarter naman parang slowest.
Kaya nga. Celis pulls the trigger. Pasok.
Not to be slow on the trigger that time though, as the corner 3 of Jason Celis, who had
His third quarter scores brought to you by GameX. GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL Basketball.
True Masters Challenge daw talaga sa kanya na sumabay sa mga youngsters ng Marikina. Andun yung pressure. Lahat maliksi at mabilis, and at this point, alam naman daw natin. Love Show number 1 tip ni Marlon, take good care of your body. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat. As Joe Gomez de Llano may sagot agad sa 3. Montero. Now against Ujan. Has the advantage in speed, and look at that. Ang ganda ng tapos na yun ni Josh Montero.
what a move. Nakaagaw pa. 2-on-1.
Escoto gets it to Pili. He'll lay it in for 2.
The 3-point line.
Here's Ibanez. Kay Big Boy Hernandez. Great play from Bulacan.
Well, 3
Makus-
wishes.
Wala.
Yan pinag-usapan kanina, report ni Andrea, di ba? Naka 46 wishes na tong si Marlon. Karandang though with a 3.
There's a steal. 11-point advantage.
Yun lang.
Baltasar saves it to Karandang. Inside to Big Boy Hernandez. May kasama pang foul para dito kay Big Boy Hernandez. 18 points in the ball game. Speaking of the Angel, yung kaibigan natin si Mikey Reyes. And that's Nino Ibanez with a layup for Marikina. After the 3-point play, Joe looking for a friend. Nahanap
Nice.
si Pili off the glass and in.
Well, that might be the play na babalikan natin where
Escoto to Pili. That's a 3. That's good.
it was a joke.
Alam natin na, tira mo, nakasmile nga si Adzar eh.
Oo.
Oh, Big Boy Hernandez continues his strong play here in the fourth quarter. Big Boy. There's Nino Ibanez. Udjan na nakabantay sa kanya.
Switch.
Ibanez with a left-handed scoop.
That's a great read by Ibanez dahil nakita niya nakaseal si Hernandez.
A 5-game losing streak. Karandang quickly to Ibanez. He has to take the 3 and knock it down. 6.7 seconds remaining. Response from Marikina after that loss last week. This player of the game is brought to you by Buenas. As Joe Gomez de Llano, he went to work early and really just solidified yung kanyang control ng team na to in the end.
He did. You know, he set the tone with his 12 points being...
Final score is brought to you by GameX. GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, GameX.